Donnie, are we going to be able to come back with one more? Is that our close?
We've got another tape. You just tell us when to start it.
How long is it?
About a minute and a half.
Then let's do it right now. Then let's rock.
This is a true story tape from Donnie Baker and the Pork Pistols. Takes you way back down memory lane.
Wow.
There's a house on the south side of town. It's called the 241.
Oh, boy.
And they have a whore you pay just once, but she'll give you twice the fun. They call her name is like Four Eyes, and she has a double chin. It's like a feedback, but she ain't some old heavyweight whore. Turns out, I swear to God, she's a Siamese twin.
Oh, man.
Her name is Miho. And her sister's name, I forget. And you have to pay them separate, even though they share at nip. My right hand was on her left D-cup, and my left was on her right, around there. But my lips were on that middle nip. And I slept like an infant baby that night. I swear to God I did. Big finish, Dusty.